Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram. Your account has been temporarily blocked. To know how to fix Instagram, your account has been temporarily blocked. You should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go down to find the apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will find the application of you will search to application of Instagram here, and then in this page you will go down to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage, and then here in this page you can click clear cache, and after that you will click clear data, and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in